Hello.
Yeah, your voice is not clear, sir. Can you please repeat?
That's right. If you aspire to appear for GATE, Navigate by Unacademy is just for you. It is the largest and the most competitive scholarship test for GATE aspirants.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. We, Unacademy Computer Science team, welcome you all on this particular YouTube channel. So, what is the agenda today? That we will discuss what exactly we all are going to talk to you guys. We will discuss, but before that, can you please confirm us that our audio and video are clear or not? So, please comment in the comment box that everything is clear or not, so that we can go ahead with whatever the discussion we wanted to have. So we have along with us two expert of GATE Computer Science, Sanchit Jain sir and Subbarao Reddy sir. So we will take their opinion, definitely. We will talk to them, definitely. We will ask the questions of you to these experts. But let me just clarify this particular thing from your end, that you guys are able to see us and you guys are able to hear us properly or not. Okay, so what exactly the things we are having here to discuss, let me just brief you about that particular thing. First of all, so many students are having this first question, why GATE? Second, if you understood why GATE, are we late? If we will start preparation now, then will we be able to complete everything or not? And third thing, if we are going to utilize this time, 9 months remaining before the GATE exam, how effectively we can utilize this time. So let's first talk to Sanchit Jain sir and ask him, sir, what is actually the benefits of GATE? And second thing is, we are late or not?
Hello. Thank you so much, sir. First of all, see, GATE, जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, like it is not only about there are a number of advantages for it. First of all, if you prepare for this exam, so please try to understand that is one of the most standard exam in the area of computer science. So जब आप इस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं ना, टेक्निकली व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस इज, जितने भी कोर सब्जेक्ट्स आपके हैं, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दैट. सो गेट स्कोर करना और अच्छे मार्क्स लेके आना, उसके बाद क्या किस किस लाइन में जा सकते हैं, दैट इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज व्हाट आई फील इज लाइक college gives you degree, but when you actually prepare for the exam, you get the knowledge. तो रियल कंप्यूटर साइंस नॉलेज जो आपको मिलती है वो तभी मिलेगी जब आप एग्जाम को प्रिपेयर करते हुए उस लेवल पे चीजों को समझेंगे. लाइक whatever subject it is, like operating system, data structures, algorithm, whatever subject it is. So यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में more or less कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ने का तरीका थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. हम चीजों को कभी कभी रट लेते हैं. लास्ट नाइट फाइटर्स होते हैं हॉस्टल में, उतने अच्छे से उस पर बात भी नहीं कर रहे होते, एंड जस्ट हमारा एजेंडा होता है उसको पास कर लेना. बट व्हेन यू चेक आउट द गेट एग्जाम, यू अंडरस्टैंड कि you must have the conceptual depth. You should know the ideas in a very beautiful manner. Then only you can clear this exam. Now, what are the advantages? So when you clear the GATE exam, first of all, if you want to go for masters, तो जितने भी colleges इंडिया के अंदर हैं, whether it is ISC Bangalore, IITs, NITs, everybody gives admission on the basis of GATE rank. So this is an exam conducted by MHRD. Like IITs conduct this exam alternatively, and then when you get a score, so based on the rank you get admission in IITs. So if you want to go for a MTech, then GATE exam writing is mandatory. First of all, this is one thing. There are some colleges like NITI Mumbai is there. based on the GATE score, you can also go for MBA. Like it is a course equivalent to kind of MBA. It's a course in industrial engineering. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा advantage आपको मिल जाता है. Apart from that, not only this, if you write this exam and you get to manage a good rank, then you can also show in it on resume also. So आप कभी भी जाते हैं कोई भी अच्छी प्राइवेट कंपनी है, सपोज यू से माय गेट रैंक इज अंडर 100, so it tells you a lot about you. I think उसके बाद किसी कंपनी को, you know, they have very less doubt about your technical skills. They know that you have conceptual knowledge on the subject, and no matter अभी कंपनी के अंदर कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, what tool they are using, they know that this guy you know understands basics of the computer science, and then जो भी चीज उनको ट्रेन करना होगा, they can give the training to you and then you can continue. So GATE is a standard exam, sir. If I conclude, if you want to go for masters, it is mandatory. One more advantage as far as placement is concerned. See, ज़्यादातर cases में problem क्या है? Those students who are in, you know, B or C level of colleges, not IITs and NITs, they usually don't get a good chance of getting placed in good product-based companies. है ना? So the biggest advantage you get in writing GATE is like, जो गलती आपने 12th में किया था ना, उसको सुधारने का मौका आपको मिलेगा, because उस समय you are not able to go into IITs or NITs, but now GATE gives you another opportunity. And let me tell you, it is much easy to go into IIT after like after BTech instead of going after 12th. तो अगर आप तब भी नहीं जा पाए थे, now you can go to a premier institute, now you can have this tag, and then using the tag, कंपनी जब अंदर आती है कैंपस के अंदर, it is much easy to get into good product based companies. So like whether it is further studies, masters or placements, I think GATE works in every direction. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so काफी सारी information, a lot of information sir has given us. Now let's immediately get back to our another expert, Subbarao sir. Sir, students are asking one question everywhere, every time: are we late? We have just started our preparation now, or we are thinking to start preparation now. Are we late? If we are not late, then how effectively we can actually use this particular remaining time? So what is your views on these points?
Yeah, thank you so much, Vishwadeep sir, for asking this question. I want to give actually answer for this. Thank you so much to ask me on behalf of students. Right? So my suggestion is, I think in my opinion, it is not too late. It's not too early also. Right? It is almost like approximately 9 months is pending. Approximately 9 months is pending. Mostly this time is more than enough. If they plan properly. If they don't plan properly, it doesn't matter how much time we have. Right? So if they plan properly, these 9 months are really more than enough. Right? And one more thing is, this is going to be possible. This is going to be possible if and only if they prepare minimum 2 subjects in a month. One subject is going to be very tough. Right? Minimum 2 subjects they have to prepare per month. Then only they are not late. Otherwise, they are late. Right? In some months, maybe they have to prepare 3 subjects also. Right? Minimum 2 months. Suppose one month, one subject. I think approximately 13 subjects are there. It is not going to be possible. So every month, 2 to 3 subjects is the better deal. So in few months, maybe 2 subjects. In a few months, maybe 3. Right? Maybe I think if it is a really toughest subject, maybe 1 month, maybe 1. So it's a combination. In 1 month, maybe take all the each subject and complete 3. Right? Most of the months should be minimum 2 subjects, minimum 2. Then it is going to be exciting. Right? Suppose in the 2 subjects or 3 subjects they want. So within 4 more months or 5 more months, they will complete the syllabus. This should be the strategy. Right? If at all 2 to 3 subjects if they prepare, at the end of the September or October mid, they will complete the syllabus. Then last 3 months they can use for rectifying mistakes, revision purpose, speed purpose, accuracy purpose. They can rectify by writing the test series and all. Right? It is, in my opinion, they are almost on the border. Not too late, not too early. Almost border. If they delay from now onwards, right? It is out of control. It's exactly the perfect time to join it, the perfect time. Yeah, this is the one thing.
Okay, so sir has given really beautiful point here. I will just repeat sir's point once again, just because he is saying it's not too early, of course, just because so many students have started early, but it's not also too late. Why? Just because sir is saying that you guys will have to effectively plan. But biggest question comes here, and that particular question is, how should we plan the courses? How should we plan our preparation? How should we go with our preparation, and how effectively we can be? So, of course, we have two top class educators along with me. We will definitely take their opinion on this particular point also, that how we should plan. But one thing for sure I can tell you from my end, from my experience is, guys, you are not expert. So when sometimes you feel like this is going correct, might be wrong. I'm not saying that it is wrong, but it might be wrong. So always try to take the advantage of this particular point, that you have top class educators along with you from Unacademy, available on free sources, also available on Unacademy Plus also. Take their advices. When you take their advices, of course, those advices, small advices, are going to utilize your time more. Like if you are studying for 4 hours per day, but in those 4 hours per day, if you are spending 2 hours only to just figuring out that what to study, how to study, and so on, 2 hours are just lost. So if somebody can give you some small kind of advice that you will have to do this, that way, that small advice can save 2 hours per day or 1 hour per day or half an hour per day. And that effectively, collectively will be a very huge difference between you and other person who is wasting a lot of time. Right? So of course, sir's advice is very good, that you take combination of courses, multiple courses together. That's how you can prepare and you can finish your subjects also. Like sir told, you take combination in such a way, tough subject is there, you take tough subject and one easy subject, so that you can complete both together. You can sometimes go with only 3 easy subjects. You can sometimes go with very toughest one course. Right? Okay, let's have few more questions with our experts. First of all, Sanchit sir, once again, I will come to you and I will ask you that experts' advices, or I should say the guided study, how much guided study is effective as compared to the self-study? And if some person is not able to join the guided study, what are the mistakes that fellow will have to, or I should say, what are the mistakes they are usually doing and how they can avoid such mistakes?
Again, thank you so much, sir. So now again, this is one of the most common question, like student ask, sir, can I get a good rank if I go for self-study? Now the good thing about probability is, yes, there's a probability of having everything. So yes, there's a probability that you go self-study. There's a probability that even you don't study and or just one day before the exam you study and maybe you get AIR rank 1. But the point is, 100 students are there or 1000 students are there. Out of them, practically, which I see, the point is, it is very, very difficult, first of all, to maintain the discipline. Even after like on being the platform from very much starting from last, I think 2 years now, the point is, आप कितना भी कोशिश करो, एक दिन होता है, 4 दिन होता है, 5 दिन होता है, but like without having live classes, डिसिप्लिन आप मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे होते. हो सकता है कोई कर पा रहा हो, बट देर वेरी लेस, like less than 1%. So for an average student, you need continuous motivation from experts. You need continuous motivation from mentors, ki whether you are going in correct direction or not, or whether you are studying or not. Like suppose I'm taking regularly classes at 7 a.m. in the morning. So there are more than 100, 200 students are coming in the class. Now again, on Saturday, Sunday, if I don't have a class, like most of the students don't wake up at 7. लेकिन पता है 7 a.m. class होगी तो आते हैं. तो first biggest advantage of here on Unacademy, what you got is you get a discipline. Because मैं हमेशा एक बात को बोलता हूँ, एक दिन में 8 घंटा पढ़ोगे मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, 8 दिन 1-1 घंटा पढ़ोगे, then it makes sense. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम की एक दिन आप कितना भी बैठ के पढ़ लो, अगर आप सोचोगे सब डाइजेस्ट कर लो, नहीं सर, यहाँ पर कंटिन्यूस डिसिप्लिन स्टडी चाहिए. दैट इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. Point number 2 is structure. For example, suppose you are watching or you are enrolled to algorithms class of Subba Rao sir. Now you need not worry what Corman says. You need not worry what Sartaj Sani says. Sir has read all the books. Sir is teaching it, the subjects 100 of times or even more than that. So now the second point is the structure. I think it is the structure, not the content. So मेरे को clarity है कि मैं सर का कोर्स एनरोल कर चुका हूँ, अभी मेरे को इधर उधर कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. सर जो बता रहे हैं, जो पढ़ रहे हैं, बस मेरे को करते जाना है. 2 चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्या पढ़ना और क्या नहीं पढ़ना, दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेरे पास कोरमैन रखा है, बच्चा कोरमैन देखता डर जाता है, सर thousands of pages are there, what to study and what to know. Don't worry, sir is there to help you out. So the biggest advantage is like when you come to the platform and you get advice from the experts, like it is not only the education ना. Suppose अगर आपको कोई problem होता है, do you go to a doctor, isn't it? आपके ऊपर कोई केस फाइल करता है, you go to a lawyer, you need some expert advice. Similarly, when you want to prepare it and it is about your career, it is the most important thing. There we apply our mind कि नहीं यार खुद करेंगे तो हो जाएगा, इधर से YouTube से देखेंगे. 1 घंटे का लेक्चर सर्च करने में अगर आपने 3 घंटा खराब कर दिया, then it doesn't make sense. So the point is, you get a disciplined study when you go for these live interactive classes on the platform. We have experts, so they know what is the content, कितना पढ़ाना है, एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किस टॉपिक से ज्यादा. इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द सिलेबस. एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किस टॉपिक से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, किस टॉपिक से कम क्वेश्चन पूछेगा. तो स्ट्रक्चर वी नो, शेड्यूल इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. आप खुद पढ़ रहे हो तो समटाइम्स इजी सब्जेक्ट होता है, मन हमारा करता है हम वही बार बार पढ़ते रहे, डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक हम टच नहीं करते. बट व्हेन यू कम टू द प्लेटफॉर्म, ओके दिस इज द बैच आई एम इन, और मैं अगर इस हिसाब से प्रिपेयर करूंगा, देन आई विल कंप्लीट माय सिलेबस बाय सितंबर और अक्टूबर एंड देन आई कैन गो फॉर रिवीजन. सो जैसा सर बोल रहे थे, यू कैन हैव अ प्लानिंग एंड देन यू कैन हैव फीडबैक्स, यू कैन गो फॉर टेस्ट. सो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. अगेन व्हाट आई विल से अगेन, लाइक सेल्फ स्टडी कर सकते हैं, पॉसिबल है सर, पॉसिबल है, बट प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत कम है. और अगर मैं जनरल आपसे बात करूं, तो अगर एक एवरेज स्टूडेंट है, तो हैविंग अ एक्सपर्ट, हैविंग अ मेंटर to guide him, or in this journey of preparation will be much advantageous. Yes sir.
Yes. Okay, so बहुत सारे अच्छे पॉइंट्स सर ने कहे, so good and so beneficial for the students. So definitely students will take care of such kind of points. Now let's come to Reddy sir once again and let's take his advice also. Sir, when students are preparing self, they are not taking any advice or not many advices, then what are the mistakes they are usually doing, and how exactly you can overcome from those mistakes if you want to advise to the students, that what are the student advices you can give to those students who are preparing for self?
So I think Sanjit sir has covered so many points. Yeah,
Yes.
let me give my advice. Let me
Yeah.
give my advice.
Correct.
So assume that there is one student who can prepare self and he can get 1000 rank. There's one student who is preparing for GATE examination without any person advice. It isn't that he don't take admission in the Unacademy. Let us assume that he will prepare himself for the 1000 rank. If the same person take Unacademy or the expert advice, he may end up with below 50 rank, below 100 rank. So previously 1000 rank without anyone say support, without any mentor 1000 rank. Definitely if they take our support, it's a guarantee that mostly he will end up with below 100 rank, below 50 rank. So there is a one person, right? So he is getting below 100 rank without our support. They may end up with first rank. So definitely, so why they want to take unnecessary risk, right? Otherwise, one more year they have to prepare, right? One more year they have to prepare. Everything possible, as Sanjit sir is mentioned, everything possible. Some will take more time, some will take less time. If you take the experienced people who are already cracked GATE exam, who are already come across all your problems, if you take their advice, right, their path becomes very simple, right? So not only having the talented things, right? You may be talented person, but when you don't know path, it is a serious problem. You are so talented, right? So hardworking, but you don't know the path. Unnecessary things you will study. For one subject only, some people will study 5 books. Some subjects they will leave also. And one more, in one subject only, one unnecessary topic they will study again and again. Some necessary things they will left out. So many unnecessary things they will do, unnecessary lot of time will waste. Right? If they are really serious about the exam, it is better to have advice from the experts. In Unacademy, so many experts are there. If you go to the other institutes, maybe 1 or 2 experts. In Unacademy, many people all cracked the GATE examination. It will be really useful to them if they take advice.
Crucial for your career. The point is, sir, you are saying that yes, the expert advice are always good, just because we can definitely efficiently utilize our remaining time or our preparation time. We always be very structured, systematic in our preparation. As Sanchit sir told, yes, we will be disciplined in our preparation, but one thing, how exactly you can get it? As you all are aware, Unacademy Plus is that platform where you can get it, but you are going to have a very big opportunity, and this opportunity is scholarship test, which is going to happen this weekend, Sunday 11 a.m. 23rd of May. You can see here, it is visible in the background of our videos that 23rd of May, there is a particular scholarship test which we are going to conduct. So here it is the page. How you can go to this particular page? You can directly go to your web search, type down Unacademy space navigate, and you will get the link of this. So what exactly you'll be getting here is up to 5 crores of scholarship you can win, means up to 100% plus subscription you can get 100% with 100% scholarship. If you are in the toppers, you will be able to meet Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. First thing, so of course you can get really great career advices. Second thing, you will be getting really good scholarship to enroll into Unacademy Plus. That is also absolutely free. Okay, then how you can enroll? Just go to this particular navigate test series particular page and enroll for it. You will have to attempt the test. The test will win you the scholarship and prizes. One more thing which I have not told you is this, that in this scholarship there is not only the scholarship, you are going to have the prizes also. So what is the syllabus? As it is visible on your screen, the syllabus is very simple, which will be including mathematics plus aptitude and some courses of your up to second year syllabus. Okay, now the next thing is, okay, Rishabh, can you please go to the next thing? Okay, next thing is the questions are curated by best educators. After you will get your test over, you will be having a detailed report and analysis that how many marks you could score, what is your strength, map your strength with that analysis so that you can understand that where you are lying as compared to the other students, where you are standing as compared to the students. And then, of course, as I told you, up to worth 5 crores of scholarship we are providing in a single test across all the branches. Okay, Rishabh, can you please go ahead? Some more details. It's an online test. So what exactly you'll have to do is, this scholarship test is absolutely free. First thing. Second thing is, you can inform all of your friends to come and write this particular test. This particular test will be like an online test, like your GATE exam type only. You will have one particular navigator for the questions, and then selection will be given ABCD options. You choose an option, select, submit, and go ahead. Analysis will be given to you as a dashboard, so you will be able to understand that how many questions you have corrected, how many questions you have made wrong or mistakes, and based on that you can analyze your own result, that how exactly you can go ahead with that. Can you please go further? So remember, this is a particular test going to happen 23rd of May. Enroll for it. Okay. Few more points we would like to have from Sanchit sir. Please sir, can you please give some more points to the students?
Okay. So जैसा सर ने आपको बताया, like it is like one of the lifetime opportunities, because कई बार मेरी स्टूडेंट से बात होती है, और जैसा अभी राव सर बता भी रहे थे कि हम लोग कभी कभी सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं, चीजों को जानना चाहते हैं, बट समटाइम देयर आर सम फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज आर देयर, या काइंड ऑफ वी आर फीलिंग हेजिटेटेड. So this gives you an opportunity. You just have to write a paper, you have to prove your point, and you can get scholarship. And this only happens only on an academy. You see, first of all, that there are top quality educator which will be teaching you live for a year. Please try to understand, these are not recorded videos. Yes, so you have a recorded video. Again, the most difficult idea about the recorded video is the discipline. अपन सोचते हैं कि अच्छा अब तो पूरा पैकेज हमारे पास है, and there are number of platforms from which even I have purchased recorded videos like Udemy and something, but discipline is not there. So we take a course, we are very much motivated, but then हम continue नहीं करते. तो यहाँ पे because educator is live है ना, तो आप continuous preparation यहाँ पर कर पा रहे होते हो. So you have to write a test, and then if you get a good marks, then obviously जैसा सर बता रहे हैं कि top 3 students will get it totally free, and then based on your rank you will get a very good amount of scholarships, and even you can get a chance to buy an iPhone. So maybe that also help you out later when you are watching live classes on Unacademy. So that phone will help you. So this is a great opportunity. You must enroll this test right now, and please share it with friends also, because first of all, see, it is also a different thing whether you subscribe later on Unacademy or not. Tests are very important phase in the preparation because they give you feedback. Sometimes what happens, I'm thinking, okay sir, my architecture is very good, मैंने अभी pipelining भी पढ़ लिया, मेरे को memory भी पता है, but मैं theory बार repeat करते जा रहा हूँ, isn't it? But जब विजदीप सर कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले ना, तो बैंड बज जाएगी वहां पे. तो एडवांटेज क्या है? एडवांटेज यहाँ पर होगा कि जब आप एक टेस्ट लिखते हैं ना, यू गेट अ फीडबैक टू योरसेल्फ कि यार जब, अच्छा एक और बात, इतने सारे बच्चे, देश में लाखों बच्चे इस टेस्ट को लिख रहे होंगे, तो सिर्फ आपको अपना मार्क्स नहीं पता लगेगा, यू गेट टू सी कि मेरा कहाँ रैंक चल रहा है. तो इट कैन हैपन अदर वे अराउंड ऑल्सो. मे बी यू आर थिंकिंग प्रिपरेशन इज नॉट दैट गुड, बट अगर आप अच्छा स्कोर करते हो, देन यू मे बी फीलिंग मोटिवेटेड. बट उल्टा भी हो सकता है कि आपको लग रहा था एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, बट टेस्ट लिखने के बाद आपको समझ आया कि नहीं, देयर आर अ नंबर ऑफ लूप होल्स. और कई बार ऐसा होता है, हम थियोरेटिकली प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हैं, बट जब टेस्ट लिखते हैं तो रियलिटी समझ आ रही होती है. कुछ लोग प्रैक्टिस करते नहीं, तो गेट में जाकर रियलिटी समझ आती है. सो coming on Unacademy or not is altogether different idea, but what you are paying, this test is free of cost. And additionally, you also get a chance to buy scholarship. इससे अच्छा कोई आइडिया हो ही नहीं सकता. अच्छा, सेफ्टी के साथ घर बैठ के आप सब कुछ कर पा रहे होंगे. Apart from that, if you get a very good rank, as sir told, you can get a chance to meet Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. And like as far as engineering ideas concerned, like the beauty of engineering is how can you use those knowledge, in order to make this society a better place. And who is better than Mr. Sonam Wangchuk if you follow him? So it is all about implementation and bringing the change in the society. So मैं हमेशा ऐसा बोलता हूँ कि when you go to IITs or even ISC, you are doing research, you are doing PhDs, but the way he is changing the society by doing right away the work at the grassroots level, or the way Unacademy is changing the society, by having top quality educators and bringing them to your house with the safety online platform in a very very small price. So that is totally awesome. So I think, sir, every student should enroll it right away, and please share in your Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups. Everybody should get to know that the test is going to be conducted, because still there are 2 days and it's Sunday morning. So have a light breakfast so that test में आपको नींद ना आए, and all the very best to get a good marks. Thank you, sir.
ओके, सो सर ने काफी कुछ अच्छा बताया, आप लोगों को काफी सारे अच्छे पॉइंट्स बताए कि आप लोग किस तरीके से इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को अच्छे से अपने फेवर में ला सकते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली एनरोल फॉर टेस्ट. प्लस अपने सारे friends को, all your connections, wherever possible, just let also them know that there is a test which is absolutely free. You will have to just go to Unacademy's platform and enroll for it. Remember, 11 a.m. 23rd of March, this particular test is absolutely free, but this particular test can bring you a hell lot of opportunity for your entire career. So give the test, check out where you are exactly in your preparation, and if any kind of trouble you are facing, you definitely can go ahead with those kind of problems, so that you can, those problems you can solve, so that you can go ahead with a better plan. As sir told, that you may get a real picture after writing a test, that exactly where you are lying. Fine. Okay. So I should say all of you all the best. One more time, I am asking everybody, whoever is listening this particular video, either live or recorded, just share the information about this particular test to every single friend, every single connection who is with you, and about any kind of branch, in any kind of branch they are in, just let them know that there is a scholarship test going to happen 23rd of May, 11 a.m. Okay, so thank you. Yeah, please, sir.
One last thing, sir. Link will be there in the description of the video. So you can just, if you didn't know the link, you can just use the link and directly go for the enrollment page. So link is there in the...
Okay, yes, okay. So as sir told, description section में आपको link मिल जाएगा navigate का, just click on that and enroll for it. You will have to enroll, plus you will have to inform each and every student also how you can share in the groups, Telegram groups, WhatsApp group, on the Facebook, on every single social media, every single platform, wherever you are present, just share the link and information about this test, so that everybody know about this particular opportunity. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Sanchit sir, for joining. And as Reddy sir is not available with us right now just because of some connection issue, I want to thank him also for his valuable suggestions and guidance to the students. And thank you, students, for joining us here. See you in that particular test and wish you good luck for that particular scholarship test. Thank you so much.